Hey, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I love having fun in the kitchen cooking using my Instant Pot, the air fryer, sous vide, my Vitamix, even my oven. I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially soaping. I enjoy traveling and all kinds of things. So come and join me. Hey, I'm so glad you joined me today. I just want to give you a quick tutorial on how to use this Power Smokeless Grill. I'm going to take it apart and then put it back together so you know exactly how it works. I'm going to put our drip pan down inside, put a cup of water inside the pan. Now put our metal drip pan in. It's got the vents so that the heat can flow through it, the steam. Now we're going to place our heating element on, plug it in, put our grill tray on, plug the power in. Now I'm going to push the power button, set the thermometer to 400, a little over, maybe 425, because today I'm going to grill burgers, and you can watch that video, and this makes amazing burgers, just saying. Now we put the lid on, let it heat up. As soon as the blue light is finished blinking, you know that your Power Smokeless Grill is heated. I love the grill. It's so easy for cleanup. Make sure you allow your grill to cool for at least 30 minutes before you start taking it apart, because you don't want to burn those fingers. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.